Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Griffin here, and today I'll be looking over the brand new Wealthsimple Trade, which is a new $0 commission trading platform offered by Wealthsimple, which currently offers an online financial robo trading platform from which I've already used and made a review that you can check out in the link down below in a brand new tab. If you haven't heard of Wealthsimple Trade yet, then don't worry, the service is still in beta mode and currently restricts the amount of users that can use the platform. So the whole premise of Wealthsimple Trade is to offer Canadians a simple way to trade stocks and ETFs on a secure, quick, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing platform that is accessible through your mobile device and offers $0 commissions. The concept here is really similar to the app Robinhood in the United States and really has the goal of encouraging Canadians young and old to invest their money for the long term in order to build their wealth over time. So today we'll be looking at the different features and functionalities of Wealthsimple Trade in order to give you a better picture of whether or not you want to sign up for their service. Alright, so first off, Wealthsimple Trade is a service that allows you to trade stocks and ETFs on a simple to use mobile application while allowing you to have $0 commissions with no account minimum. Now, compared to other trading platforms, this feature has tremendous value over time because trading commissions can significantly rack up over time and eat away at your capital gains. If we look at the competition, for example, most trading platforms have a commission of about $5 to $10 per trade. If, for example, you simply want to purchase, say, one share of Apple, a $10 fee with TD, for example, would represent about 7 to 8% of the overall value of the asset in today's market value. The company states that they can offer this no commission trading structure based on the fact that they will drastically reduce their operating costs by eliminating expensive things such as branches, large teams, and legacy systems. Now you're probably wondering, what's the catch here? How come they can offer $0 commissions when I'm currently paying $10 with my current broker? Wealthsimple states that they make their money on currency exchange for US equities. The exchange rate offered by Wealthsimple Trade is the current market rate plus 1.5%, which in comparison to other trading brokers is usually about 2%. So either way, it's a win-win for both the individual and the company. So here is a breakdown of their fees, and as you can see, everything is free other than the exchange rate and transferring your entire account to another financial institution or vice versa. If you haven't checked out my other video related to the traditional Wealthsimple, then the contrast here is that Wealthsimple Trade is a traditional self-directed trading platform with no financial advice or recommendations, while Wealthsimple is an automated financial investment platform that automatically rebalances your portfolio within your TFSA or RRSP based on the risk level that you set for your account when creating the account. If you are new to investing, then I strongly suggest that you go and watch my other video related to the traditional Wealthsimple in order to have a really good idea of which platform would be best suited for your financial goals and needs in the coming future. Remember here that this new Wealthsimple Trade platform allows you to pick and choose your own stocks and ETFs, which makes it a lot more difficult and hands-on to make significant gains over the long term. You also really need to be on top of the research behind your financial decisions when picking and choosing specific ETFs and stocks. Now, the financial products that you can buy and sell on Wealthsimple Trade are quite vast, ranging from publicly traded common stock to ETFs and pretty much anything that covers the US and American stock market. You'll pretty much find any blue chip stock or other type of commonly traded stock or ETF that you would find on any other sort of platform. Now that we have a pretty good idea of what Wealthsimple Trade has to offer, let's look at the signing up process and what are some of the eligibilities for opening up an account. So first off, Wealthsimple Trade is only available to Canadian citizens, Canadian residents, or people who have a Canadian visa. You must also be 18 years of age, have a social insurance number, and have a Canadian address. So pretty much anyone watching this video who's Canadian and over 18 will be eligible to open up a Wealthsimple Trade account. And whether or not you have a traditional Wealthsimple account, Wealthsimple Trade does not require that you have another account with them. You can open up your first account with the company using their trading platform. Currently, if you do want to open up an account with the company though, you have to put your email address in a waiting list because we're still in beta version at this point in time. In my opinion, if you're interested in opening up an account, then click the link down below and put your name on the waiting list because there's currently about 95,000 people on the waiting list. Once you're accepted into the platform, you'll be sent an email giving you instructions to download the app, set up your account, and start trading all from your mobile phone. Funding your account will also be extremely simple and only requires you to link your bank account and send an EFT transfer, which takes a couple days. And I would like to point out at this time, however, that you won't currently be able to transfer ETFs or stocks from another trading account into your Wealthsimple Trade account, but it will be a feature that will be implemented in the near future once the beta version is more finalized. Okay, so you've applied to open up an account. What are some of the different account types that you can open currently with Wealthsimple Trade? As of right now, the only account type that you can open is a cash non-registered account, which I personally find quite disappointing, but will more than likely be changed in the near future. Hopefully, they'll quickly implement TFSA and RRSP accounts so that you can take advantage of capital gains and tax savings over the long term when you're building your wealth within the account. Because here's the thing, although you'll be saving money on trades, in the long term, depending on your level of trading or how frequently you'll be making trades, you'll more than likely save a lot more money in tax savings over the long term with a TFSA or RRSP account rather than the $5 to $10 fees that you're saving in the present moment. As a user, you'll easily be able to search a stock or ETF by the ticker symbol or name of the stock in order to make a really quick and easy trade straight from the mobile application. And then you can buy or sell that specific security in a matter of seconds straight from your mobile phone. Now finally, let's talk about security of this new application. Wealthsimple is somewhat of a new company, and this can raise concern for some people when it comes to a company holding their money, which is a reasonable concern in my opinion. However, Wealthsimple makes sure that your assets are safe as it's a division of Canada Shareowner Investment Inc., which is a registered investment dealer and member of the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada and the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, which turns out to be the standard for brokerages in Canada. So basically, your assets are protected up to a value of $1 million when you use Wealthsimple Trade. If you've made it this far into the review, then thank you for watching, and I really hope that you were able to pull some value from it and that the video helped you make a better decision as to opening or not an account with Wealthsimple Trade. Also, if you enjoyed the video, it would really help me out if you could give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell button so that you're notified whenever I release a new piece of content. And on that note, thanks again for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.